What if we saw aging differently? Our body's most important structural protein, the glue that holds our bodies together, is collagen. Collagen is the strength behind our joints, muscles, skin, and hair. But starting in our 20s, our body slows down collagen production. As we age, we lose about 1% of collagen each year. Less collagen means less strength in our joints, muscles, skin, and hair. And the effects add up. What if we can stop or even reverse collagen loss? This is why we've created ICARIA Glow Advanced Collagen to help individuals everywhere live stronger, beautiful lives, no matter their age. ICARIA Glow is a natural way to take control of your beauty, keeping both the inside and outside of your body healthy and renewed. By drinking 1 ounce each night, you're healing and protecting your body to restore your natural and beautiful glow. People everywhere are renewing their strength and taking control of their beauty with ICARIA Glow. Aging isn't a number of years or lines on a face. It's an opportunity every day to experience a full, happy life. This is ICARIA Glow Advanced Collagen from Tranont Health.